Ayamo. Ngoyo wala li wali. Depende ni mo ko. Anya ngaba ndo ko bara ga kama na ni ambi. To na kama na ambi. To baya kan we need to see people. What shall I explain nyuma? Mbaya mama. Okay. Okay, you want to know. Osoro the actor, I need you here. Harry 254, Harrison Moega. Harrison Tire Media, I need you here. Aba ni number to arora se movie waka jana yukorera okobana inyora momento Nyawosira. Now wishing another in the moyo. Moyo na Mombasa hotel yale mix ya 150. It is deep. We have people who have taken care of us as orphans, whom we need to appreciate. Tita Jinda, kita buat kita bawa je berada, tita tuan kerja. Lakini itu ndo lagi Moscow. Osoro, Harrison. Let's clap for these two great guys. I want to give each of them just 1 minute. I've already moving for a very long time, but maybe it's because I'm not very sensitive. Maybe it's the pure cholera. But I am good in the and I'm ready to adopt a parent. On your Gowato, telling me more adapt. I can adopt a parent. Chetimba to my body. I can never adopt your own and take a Give us 1 minute. The inspiration behind doing this movie. And then we'll go back to protocol. Our leaders can give a comment about this great movie. And then we'll know the way forward for our industry. Thank you.
Thank you, Kyondo.
Welcome.
And thank you, everybody. So go check what the story. It's I don't know how to call it, but it's something imekuwa nzito kwa nyoyo zetu. Tabiri muzika kama ameito for a long time. Don't kuja to tell this kind of story because it's not just a story, but something that is happening around us or in our lives. Shukrani kwa kila mtu alichangia. The movie is 3 hours in fact. Pole sana kwamba tulianza late. Na ndio kwa blame tole awangewahi kumwacha late. I wish tuendelee kusoka. Maybe after this, kwa I'm seeing chinsa na utana chance yoko kuendelea. But most important, I wish our leaders were here. Well wishes, people want this story ifike around. We can start even showing it in county world levels. We're going to teach you to screening and take so that about when you are exactly what you can tell. It is Sonia. I appreciate Mheshimiwa Sonia. Unakiona tena tunajitaka kupata support. By then we were struggling with seeking attention. Na tell story kama hii kama hujapata attention. Tukapata attention kidogo, so we are back to telling stories that matter. Mheshimiwa wangu anadvise tu sana na nashukuru kwamba out of what you say we are can now do this. Ndio nataka kwa nini vingine na sanjio. Asante sana.
Abagani baito waheshimiwa wabwani kwa ile bia naenda imade twa rasila singa bande bare watata sana uko baiki story nyingi, but one word I'd say is there's nothing new same the Gedwara, in this story, I say, the Togo Yagina may be too simple. Because our culture very, very simple. Whatever story you say to what the things that happen in our society, in our language that we easily understand. Because if you express yourself well in your first language, on a gym, appreciate the advance part what you see. Now I'm in advance to go. Because it's not easy for politics about Tabanana. Age and Unaba, yeah, take time to go say, why let's buy a good shoot. Matanga. I keep back for it. Yeah. I think after Nava, you see after some time, but acceptable watch a work yesterday. Otherwise, onye ndino na banda bani story yenye ndi mwaro chimoto bashimwa mara bakiti abanda bane bere government ga oyonde directors ka charuro na titi you see non ese boy kana ni tukeli manone abashimwa baito ke sympathy ya story ingora ngera bairo because it's the story anyway we are saying anyana to kwa ga politics kanyora bantu bana ni politics kwa because we will be in our society. Otherwise, it is 3 hours actually, 3 hours 20 minutes. Again, very, very tight. They go bow, which is serious and more emotional. Which is at the time. Karibu sana na next time. Otherwise,
thank you so much, Bwana Harrison Mwenga. You're a great man. God bless you. You've shown us the way all the way. From that way, it was an idea which came from this great man. And here we have another great film. Let's clap for him, please. Kindly, because of time, we'll do the shortcut way. DJ White, you are a legend in this industry. I'll give you 1 minute. You invite Mr. Waziri to invite our guests. Kindly. DJ White, 1 minute.
I'll make it more official today. Your Excellency, the next governor, Kisii County, Charles Shomatoke. Waziri from Kisii County wa Youth and Culture Sport, where I belong. Welcome to the house, sir. The next MCA, Ibeno Ward, Mheshimiwa Mariachana. Hata hii naongea na Nangani. My friend Ben, all the way from the United States. Welcome again for the second time to Kenya. Amtech Ambassador, His Excellency Migi the Champion. And his running mate, obviously, Mr. Hiranya. All protocols observed. Hamjamoni. Mimi leo hii nasikia ukionga kuniita legend. But I'll tell you, we have a million legends inside here. It's all about the field you play. Samora the CEO on DCTV, you are a legend. And I'll thank you, Big Way, for supporting Osoro. By the way, Samora ndiye alileta Osoro tukianza Ndizi TV. Wapi makofi ya Samora tafadhali? Harrison Mwenga, I've known you for like 5 years, but I can tell you, you're also a legend in what you do. We have seen with the shots. Wangapi wamependa story ya hii movie? When these two guys sit down to work, this is what happens. But I'm asking you, Osoro, Harrison Mwenga, Samora Kibagendi, and His Excellency Charles, nataka ukuwe chairman wa IT, because there is no way you will ever in life walk far if you walk alone. It's high time, as the artist from Gusii, and I'm talking as the Deputy President Gusii Artist Association. By the way, come August this year, I'm vying for the top seat. Mimi si hustler. Kuna kitu nani hajakunywa maji? Nani hajakunywa maji hapo ndani leo? Mimi si hustler. Nani hajakunywa maji leo? Tafadhali waiter wape maji bilibili kwa bili yao. Mr. Obile Nyambane, you are a legend. Actually, Obile Nyambane alikuwa mwalimu wa Excellency Charles Shomatoke akiwa Kisii School. Hadi wale mwalimu nasikia uchungu hapa mahali ulinipiga. Alikuwa anatupiga tuiname tu dance poa. Lakini ulinisaidia. I wish DJ angekuwa hapa. Mimi nilikuwa msanii. Nikaamua kuwa DJ na baadaye nikaamua kufanya events. Hao wasanii wote unaona hapa ni one or the other. Wanapita kwa mkono yangu. Na sifanyi haya kwa sababu yangu hatina uwezo. I have friends. I have Benya sent me something. Tunashare na Osoro and the other producers. Charles is always supporting. Nikimwambia na launch ka movie hata kama nika 15 minutes, ananiuliza kwa hiyo budget yako wacha yangu kwa 20%. Tuko wengi tunauliza kura. Mheshimiwa, I will stand here today to tell everyone who's in this house how a great leader you'll ever make come 2022. I've seen you from primary school. You guided me in high school. You went twice USIU. You were the goalkeeper. Wakati ulienda ziara yako ya kwanza Marekani, uliniwachia usukani. Mimi ndio niliingia kwa hiyo goal post. God bless you, Your Excellency. May everything you touch prosper. I want to talk much. I want to request everyone who's in the house tonight that we all unite and make Kisii great again. Thank you. So, it's now my humble time to request Waziri Moyo Tiemechate. Wapi makofi ya waziri ndani ya nyumba leo? Waziri, it's your time.
Waziri, welcome. But before you speak, Waziri, Adoration should speak when we are in the presence of all the actors or the cast. If you appear in this movie, kindly chukua bando chikatuli kwa beka. Cast na no dio ana kwa kana se movie. Aboko kwa cast. Miga ile cast. Baba baba wasesi chukua. Kumbe ndio. Pele ngoma chukua. Wonderful people, wonderful people.
settle down. Thank you very much. I want to take this, single opportunity after having observed the protocols of the house. Kindly, I can see my wife talking. I can see my wife talking to somebody. Now, I want to say that, ladies and gentlemen, you've made us very, very proud. Now, when I was shooting a video call in Namonto, Harrison did that video, and I remember he took some minute and they told me that I have done too many videos in Kusiland, but there is no one song that has moved me like this one. And he said he was going to do something about it. I'm so proud of you, my brother, what you've done. Now, let me give maybe my 1 or 2 views, because we have been watching here. I will start with the first one. And okay, everyone, with the one. Muaro renga awanda na wangai. Muaro ngite foi ngite. Ko tu tango ko bua. Awanda ka foi gai. Ise dance di bimba ko na wae. Wae ni waki haru. You know? That was cute, but I wish the lady mwenye aliambiwa ende kutupa angeenda akaya kule. Unaelewa? Could have been very humorous. Could have come out so humorous. Now, omongiro yokima itina jia renge, talent yae, lakini mipango ya kasara. You know, this lady, omongiro, you might think of wrong I was in a yuko, but I'm now giving instructions to my wife. Shopping, you have 5,000 Kenya shillings. And I believe all of us can do something. My brother Matoke, Mheshimiwa Swanya, and then for those willing, we can do something for this woman. Peleke mai kumoni. Naweza pata hapa. Ose? Kumi yuko changa nataka before this woman. Ose wana mami ndio wako. I'm requesting.
Mwaka mbake wata abaibuli.
Yes.
Mongina. Ainche moni au ta Africa. Kwa kweli tulisema.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Actually, Moro ni tubia mono 5,000 chia siri. Nende ngoro mchango. We have to do something for Mongo. Ose wana mami ndio wako. She made us proud. She made us proud. Na ane ngore kai kote ni mwe offer. Offer ni rega. Ni pay my 5,000 from Nigeri never smoke on and the original. Vincent Obedi, was the to me about 5,000. How much? Okay. Omoano Yominko, and then I'm going to say this is Naila franchise, and actually is my brother-in-law. Yes?
From there, furniture, we present 6-seater sofa sets.
Wow! What we are going to do, the two mamas, they have made us proud. Let's get something for them, the two of them. We have to make everybody actually 6-seater, yes, my brother. My brother, the aspiring Governor Matoke, Charles Chwea Matoke. Young leaders, serious boys, the future of Gusii land. Has given us 5,000 Kenya shillings. Ladies and gentlemen, Take otwale so otwala kitumia mbili otwala kile yose. Nina muntu wana wa minto. Na agulanze na abanki getongo. Don't joke. Ndoche Simba, this is my, is my executive, why property. Mwenda. Yes, my brother. Omano Minto, Otoyo 500 Kenya shillings. Aga cheap body. Omano Minto Garden coming MCA, Eground Diambo, Otoyo 200 shillings. Very good. Your name, bro. Your name? Hesbon. Hesbon from Kenya Defense Forces has given us 2,000 Kenya shillings. Onye huko soka bocha, ababu tomengo wasiye bocha abu. Yes. Yes.
I have a nation I represent. Very good. Very good. Very good. We are about to get it.
Yes, our brother. Actually, I want to commend you. You are the most attentive member of the audience. Congratulations, my brother. You are the most attentive. Listen, Taiko is going big. I think one on a white and second, give him the money. Give him the money. Or get him money. Give him the money. Come here, bro. Yes.
I just want to say I really like the parts that were in English.
Nice. In fact, the young one is so good. That is an invitation, next time actually, ensure that there are some titles because we can break through, we can go beyond the procedure. It's a title so that our people can understand. Oh yes, our brother, thank you very much. He has given us 1, 2, 3, 5,000 Kenya shillings. To the world. Yes, my brother, your name, please. Amen. Okay, Omano Vintonere, Esimbe, Gamucho, Gajaro, information, Mungu, Otorete Genere, 1,000 shillings. If you go Salimia, can you list? Mheshimiwa Victor Swanya, my friend, my mentor, my everything, has given us 6,000 Kenyan shillings. Okay, nice. My brother Bazu, Kevo. Okay, I'm already number. Bro, what a pair. You will send 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Naga, Otoye, 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Market team, which are very proud. Very nice. Yes. Enamba yesimi, oyoko ngiruzeleye. Chirule, chionsi, sawa sawa. Otomeli. Dai. Haya. Next. Yes. By the way, tangaza ngena. Fanya hivi. Weke tulie namba ya Harrison, si ndio? As the director. Yes. Tegera. Ahora hice cuenta que como que no puede decir una paguera igual te gana la 07 19 16 32 72 ¿qué número?
07 19 16 32 72.
Bueno, está bien, estamos bien. Va a tener chicos. Con la nada ya une. El día también vamos. Jelia unaleli yaandika. Mungu tukiko sura abu kumunganeleza. JB. Now, tutegere. Oyo ndo teke. Umusani orosi bibi kwa YouTube. Kwa 500. 1 2 3. Hey. Samora Otoyo 500 shillings. Mwake chiko 8. Amore 8.
As a Nichalco, the name of my mother, I will thank you.
Very good. Otoyo 500. Pia mwana ginto. Ginto mkubwa kabisa. Ben Mwaranga, my brother, thank you, my brother Ben has given us 1,000 Kenya shillings. Thank you very much.
A pledge in area of my area 5,000. Mongera roba simia.
The plate merenga. Esimia ono era mo.
Confirm na kiasa ile kindly.
Oh, Chiatomiru?
Yes.
Very good. Oh no. Yes. My teacher. Tenena wa hona itina limu gato. Ona also Meti High School, Kisi School. Thank you very much. What did you want? 1,000? Otomire madam, otomire 1,000. Ero so Meti Kisongo keli mungu mungu kwa. Na ane kali koka. Now, that done. I want to speak of just two things and then I become an MC. And we proceed. The first thing I want to say, my brothers and sisters, this could have not happened without your support. You will do a movie, or you can say, no audience, no people are watching, you will not make sense. So I want you people to clap for your own selves. It's very important. Secondly, the baby steps that you are seeing the artists of Kusiland are taking, I'm telling you, this will be remembered in 100+ years to come. Actually, for the very first time, you will do content in ATMC and you will sell even better than Manola. You know, this is so nice. Myself, as a minister for culture, and personally as an artist, I want to say thank you very much. Now back to the review your movie. I think next time, we might need to consider to check on lenses. I realized the lens was an issue kidogo. Kitu ya pili, change from one scene to the other, right? Kulikuwa ile scene ile ya Osoro akieleza sister yake, it kind of took a little bit longer, right? Took a little bit longer, and because what you want at the end of the day is somebody to watch the movie from minute 1 to the last one. So that change, make sure that you work on it. Lastly, I want to say this. Waheshimiwa wenye mmeona wamekuja wameketi hapa. Tangu tuanze kulaunch movies in Kisii, zenye zimekuwa zinakitiwa na watoto ndugu zangu hapa, ni watu 2 ama 3, but we have remained consistent. Coming, tunaketi, tuna watch, even if somebody came to offer you moral support, that is a big win. Au mkiangalia, majority of the guys who are here, they are young people, because they understand what a young person needs or goes through. Don't take this for granted. If you guys decided we work together, we support our fellow young people, they get into positions of influence, I'm telling you, Kusiland will never be the same. Tukienda vile hiyo kwenye kuyane bineranga, kabolo ataka kurayoni, kabolo ngatika kaba, ngana kawasili, kabolo ngaile chikura na abo kurayoni. Kia, ifu, tuizu siyo kwa nguvu tuise debut, and we wish each and every person well. I'm telling you, we will go far. Na wewe kama uko na roho mbaya, umejiroga wewe mwenyewe. You will never succeed. When you see a brother or a sister making a step forward, feel good, na ina saya kuigulele, na ina usimonyo wakanzo. Otherwise, utabaki ya pulie mnege bako. Now, allow me take this opportunity. I will welcome 1 or 2, 3 speakers to come up front and speak a word. Egere tukule tonde kantonga. Lakini courtesy ovecha tena watu wande waleka. Umuntu akubuate. Musoko ngamporo ko woche movie ga. We will come all of us. Actually kono sole WhatsApp group na toliga twesi. Owe kwa updating na updating na nzi na updating wa and we will come all of us. Very nice. Now, I want to give you a minute, my brother. You go here, Malawami, or Orochi Mukava Noara, Orochi Seniors, nobody like this. Amazing, please. Because I know Nabok Chorus, Nabok Chorus. Actually, another very wonderful lady. Nani aliona umrembo alifanya kazi nzuri sana. Or your sister? Awesome. Usine bwate, she has a very nice skin tone. Camera friend. We have serious people. Thank you very much. I will allow you guys, to sit. Thank you so much. God bless you. Wapige makofi as they kids. Now, Maria Chan. Chigojo mwana miko kwa ni wapi? Asini.
Ndugu zangu na dada, wacha nichukue nafasi hii ni wasalimu. Hamjamboni? Hamjambo? I'm Benson Nyagaka Mariachana. I come from Ibeno Ward in Nyaribari Church. Yes, Ibeno. Mimi represent Mheshimiwa Charles Twema Toke, na sababu leo ni mkubwa wangu na ako hapa, siwezi sumbuka mingi. Waziri, thank you kwa ile kazi unafanya ofisi yako na vijana wa Kisii na wale vijana wote wengine akina Bigi na wengine, thank you so much. Na muhimu tu ningesema tubuate na una matabaki. Okay, na tuwe solution. Na tukusabe utambe saa tubuate. Unaona higa kwa rosafi tu na waomba abana bami ko bari murema eno wiyane chance asama kama kwa manyanezere mimi ameniguza kwa fulani ndio waomba tu akitu kama atanda mtu mte ngabo nerega mo wanja somo leo mwana mse como support so much kwa hiyo tu ndio leo ndio sabera ndio sabera ni hicho bali mambo ni haraka hii bali ndio hicho mwanzo sana
thank you very much. Eric, Harrison, where are you? I think you guys are making sense, sir. I want you to do this. You count this money, right? And for all fairness, at least you might think of this in a 1 year to I'm or something, and your cast is around 20 people. The entire cast or Kiromoto donate to Ababana bani chukira obaye kusoro wani bomenare ngereba
Echato
opale igo. Yes,
my brother.
Yes,
Akiti wese ni chabani.
Yes,
Mtola ataka mono.
Yes,
E project ye na wono wale tamira sai.
Yes,
na wale wale fa abaki ni echi.
no omaye igo tegere na icho omaye tegere omaye tegere obo sisele umbole na ibo koraiba no ruso ni ruwe rubo no obaye ya. Because all these people made the movie a reality. So, why about the language? Kusema ndo tobarega. Ndio kwa kweli ile ndio tunataka kuwa na wana kuja mreno mchango kujangire cast. Why wewe fair au chini. Hiyo kusema sasa mtakuja baadaye kila mtu akuje na 500 100 tuchangie kazi pia wapate fare ya kuenda nyumbani. Sio? Very good, very good. Magere chimbo 1 2 3. Asante. I want to bring Mheshimiwa Charles. Anaenda kete Noro mwini obe kama nawa mengi courage. Sawa kuanguka.
Your Excellency Charles Matoke, the new incoming governor 2022, Geuki, the Minister for Youth, DCTV, the CEO, Swanya, the incoming Member of Parliament, all protocols are. Good evening. We are more friends. We are more than I always encourage DCTV wherever I meet them. Como they talk about script a certain level. You know, when you are making comedy, as an artist, as an so I told them, try to pero create their comedy and she go together on the youths. So So I'm happy that what I told you, you are advancing. So I'm really happy, and DZTV, we shall continue to promote you. Moyo Maleta Negro Charles Ndege Mugaka. I'm one of the innovators. I do technology and innovation within Kisii, but for now, I'm learning as a member of parliament, Bunjari constituency, this coming by-election. So I'm asking for your support, your social support. Once I'll be elected as a member of parliament, this thing will be so soft for us. Your Excellency, we promise you, Kerokia Bunjari, it will be a benchmarking for you. Oh, Metomirande, or like your dear monitor.
Very good, Margaret Chief Kodi. Wana minto wa kiuhuli chukura uoko. Yasaka wita ukonyo. Owenga tukiuka kongo kirakyo. Agon tevinga in an election. Umuto kuinyo no ila no iliyo siege. One ere na siega na inyo ire na wabra teki. No hari. Abuno kanto wako inyo. Lakini saa ira unge bakacha kuwa. We wish you well, my brother. Sasa. I've seen some guys looking around. My director, Bino Kenya, was saying, they don't know what I'm doing. Is my director for culture in the department. Babji, Mamu Fanya Watwivi. Very nice, very nice. But nobody that gave her some baseball. I've seen Zappa from Telmo World Media, Fanya Hivi, Biamo. Unawagu Sambere, now, I want to take this opportunity. One of my two seniors here. But there's one thing I know. Age and experience is always superior. You don't want any experience and age. So I want to bring you first. You know.
Let me tell you something that I've been having in my heart for a long time. Inje, I love amanganaye a talent. Eke ewe nyasa goire ikine kiao omonto na koroga tago go. Talent has taken people places. Oronche ewaziri. If you say Yvonne was your teacher, Yvonne was my friend for a long time. To a very amogoja na morangela mogoli ngaki. Waziri was your student. On the ring, I never until I almost saw me with some. You go once again. What I have in store for Kisii County. Because of time, and I don't want to speak a whole lot. I sing in Tobanachapini. Today, the 6th of March, is when my father passed on. And I had a memorial tournament for the entire county or commemorate Singapore. So with my wife. One on two at the Eka again, Rete Kusienima, singing Togo Deva, in Wadamanana.
He could have told me.
Hi. Bueno, nada, te digo si ni a que lo corroboré ni todo bien, oye, estaba vale. Nada, te really call on you. So what was I saying? Yes. So the Guatemala Pocket Tournament, it's a memorial tournament, that tournament, yes. The cash prize for the winning team is 250,000. Namba ibere iko bako 150,000. Namba isato iko bako 100,000. Namba inge iko bako 50,000. Tali nga singe nchoto bwate chinyinge. Na singe nchoto yogo etiga na kotema kokoraki. Okuza talent. Igo na wanyana asaba ikabari kwa tiga. Na iswa na ye oyo no muroli ngekoro. Ah, yo murana yo chanti kinasana. Osumo telena.
Ngaya Osumo ngayare. Narenga.
Osumo tata kone mano. Osumo. Take toke contract ya mutsaranasi. Aki kita kitu kwa na mange inchengo basa support ya ino I am one of you. I am a youth just like you. Let us believe in ourselves and believe in each other. That is the only way we can go forward. Kucha kuikabali ngaki eke roba kuru esin tomana kwa nyora tuenzi tutorana timbo tutamanye tingi toka Ivona, what I'm saying, umheshimiwa buno yechate cheto beria ke when you started I got a woman to do my there. But I will be very, very honest with you. You have done wonderful. He may have his weaknesses. We are all human. He may have his weaknesses. We all do. One thing I can tell you is that if you do not support him as a youth, and if you don't support him, one thing I remember I told you is that if I'm talking about being a youth, if anything, this is the only youthful leader we have. Why don't we support him as one of our own? As our own, Kisi is now going out to the world. My brother Mickey has done wonderful. My brother Babuji, abana ndobama nyire paka buji ngumbu paka teras. Oyo muroyo ochire ngumbu. Well, otaire weka, nata kita otaire. Ochire ngumbu twatale American mato. Otaire labanto andwanyune busaba lwakonyo. Balire chinkara. Mwajute na ongengo aganga kora rote ataba aigwete akorole merengai lakini rende you talent can take you places. That is all I wanted to say. Sita ke tema tige ko badere na ki abana wa minto na gesinsi tuoni ngera abona abaga sinini lakini gesinsi ke no so yeliso no chiobe ngo weka maligaso okay. Igomba tayari tokuwa tesi asirasi tokuwa tebusia ne komu na inde sana bantu bako mbunina yabo ko genda ngumu wairaniwe kutoerera wano tola todo itena bantu bali ground inche nonki lerete bosonga bosonge taunie kaluchari ke street vere okobolio monto cuando le monto que te pata na ya waziri atiraga de korote kiramu kalikrajidas lakini akamwambia cha kugete na ndio weke avegete goti mwa oenda street ya kabele yo alingega kupilgotir iko kwa manyaime ekla kusigo kalike ekemo ekere club ya kabele yacha ega aligo ya kakumirwe taxi wali na kwe pues ada wana tuarura kama mahali obuhanchanimu alinge busongo ekero monto oyo moita sibiko sino muibuli igo club ikiale gusikwa ekiekemo aonyenji kuna na manyeta tuagendo tuabuta akamambia tuabale obuhanchani obutika pe kabwera na busongo abantu wa kole nemo tewa asenge ntorende tuale ngaba gania twatanga keyo ngina haida abutogera no kogo mu huko tayo kama saa tusisemi kuna nchedaji kila sembu yake inche igomba tabasani bakobeka namo bantoma mobe eka romano ina chire siko asomire iko siko na tumi tusko chiko baraki siko soma na ira direka iko ba tagete ko ro soma ntikaro ono dinde tingira netika segra unta kero kiek andi kata support on behalf of the Matoke, the team Matoke, and because today was a Memorial Day for my father, we are giving 20,000 shillings to what the next ceremony.
I would say, my brother, Brian, Pastor Pigitumaivo, we are proud of you. Keep it up. It's not easy. Keep it up. Keep moving. We will definitely meet with you. Also, I want to wish you the very best. Now, I want you guys to allow me before that I was